Bring that ass back like a boom, 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 boom.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Supernova here with Boom Creators. Now, I wanted to start making weekly videos for the watch list that I'm watching. And if you are not familiar with TC2000, this is the platform I use for scanning. It's much faster and much more reliable than anything I pretty much used by now. So for a couple of months I've been using this. I'm really happy with it. So here are some of the tickets that I'm watching for next week. Of course, as we go by, we will update this watch list. We do that on our Discord server pretty much every day when there's something to trade. So this one, first one, SGML, that's Lithium, Sigma Lithium Corporation, as you can see. I own it since 29, but this has been going strong, so I still keep it on my favorite tab. Really like how it's setting up. Next one, HQY. This broke out on Friday, but as you know from our weekly video, um, the Friday breakout was pretty much, how to put it, it was due to a large expiration of puts. Approximately 20% of all puts expired. So what I can tell you for sure is that we might be actually seeing some pullback in the market on Monday and then blasting higher if there are not so many puts initiated. But this one is definitely one of the stronger ones. It's from technology services sector, so it's a really strong stock. You can see here that's the weekly chart. That's the daily chart. Sorry, it looks just amazing. And now you can see this is the weekly chart. So right here you can see against it. What you can see, it's a huge base. Basically, it's been building a base since 2019, so it's a huge base. It's trying to break out of this base. Next resistance right around here. So we have moved. We have space to go. But if you look on the daily chart, what I wanted to show you right here, this shaded area with the greenish line on top of it, that's the S&P 500. And you can see S&P 500 has been going down. This has been steadily rising. So it's really a strong stock. Next one, favorite for everybody, VRTX. I do have an alert to go off. If we break this, it just looks spectacular to the upside. You can see again against the backdrop of the S&P 500 for the past couple of years, it's going very well. Let me just see where this line comes, and it's right here. Yep. So amazing stock, VRTX, BOWL. This one's already broken out, and you can see right here we have some resistance on top. But also, if we break that little H sort of letter, inverted H letter pattern, we can definitely shove it up to this resistance right here. So something to look for. Orly, one of my favorite setups right here in the market. You can see going all the way back again against S&P 500. You can see how it looks. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I have a standing on it right here on 750 to just buy that. Right, if we break that 750, just buy that. STVA, another amazing setup. You can see right here, if we break this 64.15, we're in for a ride. This is all-time highs for the stock. Markets trying barely to hold on. SGM is another one that I really like. Setting up very corrective this way here, this little handle. Oxy, of course, another one, the Oxy. Oxy's been very strong. Warren Buffett's been in it for quite some time. CTKB, that's a little bit lower price stock, but again, VCP formation right here. If we move past this trend line, definitely something that you can consider. And the other one I like really is Dino. It broke out right here. I own it, made a pullback, another buy point probably for me. Now let me just show you some other ones that I have alerts on. So that's Chewy. That's again, it was a darling of 2021. It has lost quite some value, as you can see right here, but found the bottom, made a sort of an inverse head and shoulders right here, and now it's trying to break. Note right here we have this purple line, which is a 200-day moving average. So if we can break this 38.65 on volume, I think that the next logical resistance area will be right around here. You can see here with the volume profile, we can identify an area around 40.41, which is still about 10% higher. So there's room to go. CI, signal group. We hit the channel on the upside, so I'm expecting some volatility to meet again, but that's definitely something that you can consider as a trade. FRT, that's one that is for short. The right, which is the real estate sector, has been really hurting. So that's forming a bear flag right now. If we break this line, you can definitely consider it. HDSN, that was a really nice stock for the last year. It broke out, made highs. This is a lower price as you can see right here, but 841, definitely some resistance into it. And you can see next resistance from the volume profile coming in a little bit higher, so still a place that it can run. I also have Roblox. If Roblox probably breaks this 44.30, there's been some volume here on good news. Maybe we can see it pushing higher. I still don't know about that one. VISD.oil, we're already in it. It's been running now, so I don't advise you chasing, especially oil stocks. Just stay away. V-Ray, that's another one that's trying to break. If we can do that, I see that we can basically run a little bit higher right here. That's 473, and then we have more resistance here. What else do I have? WTI, that's another one, oil and gas. So it can run definitely, but it's a lower price stock. I'll definitely stick with some high price stocks for oil and gas. And another one that's one of my favorite, but it's shaping up to, if it cannot hold this double bottom pattern, I definitely see it going lower. And you can see it's been undercutting pretty much the support that it has from the first actually breakout zone, and it's going um, pretty much lower. I mean, it's the IPO price. So this is what I have for you this week. Expect another video tomorrow at some point. After I do my scanning, I'll see what shows up, and if there's something that we can trade, definitely go. But for now, definitely two favorites for me. These are Orly. I really like this setup. I mean, it's just gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. It's responding. If the market is rallying, or at least the market is holding, I think that this has a real potential to break out. And CTVA, I think that this time, we've hit it once, we tried twice, three times rejected. You see right what happened right here. I think this is has a very good potential to go higher. What else? What else? I think that these are the two that you are, I think, best positioned. But maybe HQY, but you have to be careful about this white candle right here. Although you see volume predominantly bullish in the last couple of days. So this is what I have for you. If you have any questions, drop me a question right here, or of course you can also join our Discord at Boom Traders and come hang out with us guys, trade, make some money, and of course have fun. So see you in chat. If not, wait for the next video. Bye bye.